beyond, beyond.
Too bad, good, difficult, etc. to be real.
The evil of this man is beyond belief.
Certain or certainly.
Her skill is beyond dispute. He is beyond dispute the finest actor in Hollywood today.
Bigger or better than anything you could imagine or hope for.
The house was beyond my wildest dreams.
Not possible for someone to have.
With all this money we can buy things previously beyond our reach.
Continuing after a particular time or date.
The strike looks set to continue into March and beyond.
Socialism. Socialism.
Socialism. Socialism. Society, socialism, socialist, socialize, sociable, social, antisocial.
A political system in which the government owns important businesses and industries, and which allows the people to share the money and opportunities equally.
He is an opponent of socialism. Bottom. Bottom.
The most important fact in a situation.
The bottom line is that people's health is at risk if they smoke.
Completely.
I've searched the house from top to bottom and still can't find it. Recognition. Recognition. Recognition, recognize.
When you accept that something is true or real.
There is a growing recognition of the scale of the problem.
When someone gets praise, respect, or thanks for something good they have done.
Ellen gained recognition for her outstanding work.
When you know something or someone because you have seen or experienced them before.
I waved at her, but she showed no sign of recognition. Squeeze. Squeeze.
To manage to do something or see someone in a short period of time or when you are very busy.
While we're in Australia, we're hoping to squeeze in a trip to the Barrier Reef. I'm very busy this week, but I could squeeze you in at 2.30 on Tuesday. Insult. Insult.
To make someone's bad situation worse by doing something else to upset them.
To add insult to injury, we had to pay for the damage. Recipe. Recipe.
To be very likely to become a disaster, a success, etc.
Living with your in-laws is a recipe for disaster. Trash. Trash.
Something that is of low quality.
I can't believe that someone of his intelligence can read such trash. There's only trash on the television tonight.
Story. Story.
Story. Story.
An explanation of why something happened, which may not be true.
Did he tell you the same story about why he was late? nurse, nurse,
To care for a person or animal that is ill.
we nursed the injured sparrow back to health. Wing, wing,
A group of people in an organization or political party who have the same beliefs.
the nationalist wing of the party. Unfavorable, unfavorable, favor, favorite, favor, favorable, favorite, unfavorable.
Negative and showing that you do not like something.
Unfavorable publicity.
Not good and likely to cause problems.
Unfavorable weather conditions. Vomit, vomit,
If someone vomits, the food or liquid that was in their stomach comes up and out of their mouth.
she was vomiting blood. Supplementary, supplementary, supplement, supplement, supplementary.
Added to something.
Supplementary materials. Impatience, impatience, patience, impatience, impatient, patient, impatiently, patiently.
When someone is impatient.
His impatience was obvious.